The next error is warning. Warning. It is same as notice error. It is same as notice error. Does not stop script. Does not stop script execution. It occurs if we are trying to access to call undefined constants. Therefore, the simple example is less than question mark php and question mark greater than. Here simply what I am using is undefined constants. And see, here I am defining a constant. Define s number comma 10 and define s name comma Pooja. This is string constant Pooja. So two constants I have defined here. After defining these two constants, I want to display these two constants. To display these two constants, I am using a print statement called echo constant of s number. See, actually s number is already available, that's why there is no error. And here what I am doing is echo constant of s address. Have we defined s address or s name? S name we defined, but we are trying to access which value? S address. Therefore, it is showing me error called warning error. So let me show you this error to you. Copy this, go to browser path, and in the program copy and paste, go to browser path and hit refresh. See, we are getting which error here? We are getting fatal error, right? We are getting what error? constant, constant. Yeah, I have written here a spelling mistake. Now hit refresh. Yes, this is, we are getting which error? Warning.